In today's digital world, businesses are generating more data than ever before. But just having data isn't enough. You need to be able to make sense of it, and quickly. That's where Apache Kafka comes. It's like a librarian for your data. It helps you organize and store and quickly find the information you need, just like how a librarian helps you find the books you're looking for. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform that helps businesses handle real-time data. Imagine you are at a library and there's a steady stream of new books coming in, but they're just thrown haphazardly on the floor. This is like the data that businesses are generating. It's coming in from all over the place, but it's not well organized or easily accessible. Kafka comes in and acts like a librarian. It organizes the books and shelves them in the right place. This is similar to how Kafka organizes and stores data in a structured way. In Kafka, we have what's called topics. These are like shelves in a library, and they're used to organize data streams. Each topic can be thought of as a category for the data being processed. Just like a good librarian, Kafka is always available to help. It's designed to be fault tolerant, so it can keep running even if something goes wrong. In Kafka, we have what's called brokers that work together to keep the system running. And Kafka also makes sure that the library never gets too crowded, so you can always find what you're looking for. It's designed to be scalable, which means it can handle a large amount of data. The process of adding books to the library is done by producers. In Kafka, a producer is an application or system that writes data to a topic. Producers can write data to multiple topics, and they can write data at high rate, making Kafka well suited for high throughput use cases like real-time analytics or data pipeline processing. The way Kafka is designed allows for producers to write data in parallel without adding significant load to the brokers, making it an efficient and scalable process. Another benefit of Kafka, similar to a library, is that it's open to all. Different departments or teams in a business can subscribe to the topics that they need and get real-time access to the data. This allows for faster, more efficient decision making. In Kafka, these different teams or applications are called consumers, and the process of them subscribing to the topics is called consumer groups. So in conclusion, Apache Kafka is like a librarian for your data. It helps organize and store it in a structured way. It also allows different departments or teams in a business to subscribe to the topics they need and get real-time access to the data they need by using consumer and consumer group. So whether you are a business owner or an average Joe, Apache Kafka has got your back managing your data effectively.